Did you know that you can welcome your new Shopify signups with emails? Thanks to Popupsmart Shopify-based triggers, you can engage with visitors with targeted emails based on their actions in your store. And in this video, I'll show you how to welcome new signups with email. Okay, this is my Popupsmart account. I'm on the email automation section. From Shopify-based trigger, I will continue with new signup. Note that you can create a free account with Popupsmart if you don't have an account already. And in order to start this process, you need to enter your Shopify website and you need to verify it. Okay, let's click create. We will name our automation and select a domain. If you have multiple domains, you can just select it from here. Let's continue. Okay, this is the trigger part. You can see the other triggers as well if you want to change the trigger, but for this video, we'll continue with new sign up. Next to delay. Okay, this is like the wait time for the email to go to the new signups. I'll go with 10 minutes. So when someone signs up on my store, they'll be welcome 10 minutes later. Let's click next to mail. This is a subject line. You can just go creative with that. You can say, welcome to family, welcome to the club, or good to see you here. You can use some emojis maybe. Then we have the sender's name. This could be your name or the store's name, your organization's name. Then we have the reply to email. This is where you will receive any replies to your welcome email. So again, it could be your email, or if you have a customer support email, you can just enter it here. We can send test emails to ourselves or to any email actually, but let's do it after we customize the content of the email. For this, I will just click next to edit content. Okay, let's see now. This is our email template. Of course, you can customize it. Before we see the elements, let's see change email template here. You can just change and use any other ready-to-use email template from here. Then we have the general style, like you can choose a font. You can just change the email background. And then we have the body background here. And then you can change the header, which is right here. You can put your logo here, your store's name maybe. And then we have the image. Of course, this is customizable as well. You can arrange its size as well. We have the heading and the text. You can just use this one as it is, or you can just go creative with that. Of course, you can just write your store's name here if you want to make it like real quick. You can customize the button too. You can add, enter a URL here. So when someone clicks that button, they will be directed to that page. If you want, you can just add a coupon code, as you can see here. But if you want, you can just hide it if you want to, if you don't want to give any coupon codes to new signups. Then let's scroll down. You will see the social buttons. And then on the footer, we have the unsubscribe link and privacy policy. And then we have the product cards as well. Okay, once you're happy with how the email looks, go back to the general, and now you can actually send your test email. And then once you're happy with the test email as well, you can just save it and turn the status on. Okay, now when someone enters your website and they just sign up, 10 minutes later, they will receive the welcome email. Go ahead, try it out for yourself and let us know what you think. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us and I'll see you next time.